This is Amanda Sillen with Excellence in Learning, and this is your 60-second video on how to use the Scrip program. First, you're going to want to go into your App Store and look up Raise Right. Once you've downloaded this app, sign in using our enrollment code. Next, you're going to want to create your account. Be sure to check the box to get special offers and rebates, create your security questions, and finally enter your phone number for two-step verification. Once your phone number has been entered and you've received the text message code to verify your phone number, you can go into the app and start shopping. Once you're in the app, you can see that many major retailers are listed, and you can select a card that you'd like to purchase. Since Walmart is a popular retailer, I selected Walmart, and I'm going to click on the e-gift card for $10. That $10 gift card is going to populate in my wallet. So then I can go to my cart and select a payment method while I continue to the checkout. I can do this in line at the checkout counter. Once I've paid for my gift card, I can select card and the cashier can scan my card for payment. If I go back into the app, I can click Wallet and see all the cards that I've ordered in the past and my available balances on those cards. I can also click to view my past order history and see my earnings over the last week or months. You can see here that it's easy to accumulate a significant balance just by doing your everyday shopping. The purpose of this balance is to provide a scholarship for your students. By consistently using Raise Right as you normally shop, you can significantly lower your class fees. We hope you've enjoyed our video on how to use Raise Right at ELCC.